Hi, I'm going to show you how to find your party links on the Perfectly Posh website. So what you want to do is go to your virtual office, which is vo.perfectlyposh.com. Sometimes you may have to log in, sometimes not. Go to My Business, click this caret, go down to Parties, click that. And then you'll see your open parties here. If you don't have open parties, you need to create a new party, and once it's created, it'll show up here under your open parties. You should always have a party open in your name, and you need to get in the habit of teaching all of your customers to always order under a party. If you have parties open for guests, for your customers, of course you want them ordering under those people, but it's always a good idea to have one in your name as well, because you can earn the hostess perks and the half price products and any freebies that they're giving away. So yeah, you always want to have a party open in your name. So I'm going to show you how to get the party link right here. Click on details. It takes a minute to load, and you just want to scroll down, and this will pop up. It always takes a minute on my computer. Now there's different ways to find the party, to share this. You can do it via email, Facebook, and you just click these buttons, but I typically just do this one. I go over to share via link, and here is the party link. So when people click this, they're automatically set up into the party when they're going to order. You just click copy link, and then you can paste that anywhere. So if you have a Facebook party going, you can just go over to the party and paste it. You can keep up this graphic here if you want, or you can click the X so it's not there. But that is the party link. Now, if you prefer to give people just your po.sh site, excuse me. So if I just gave somebody, whoops. I have a .com. I guess my po.sh doesn't work. It redirects to that one though. Anyway, sorry about that. But if you give somebody just your Perfectly Posh, like your name at po.sh, and you want to tell them how to check out under a party, here's how you do that. They put products in their cart. They go to checkout. Once they're ready to check out, they click this button here, and then this is usually unchecked here. I've screenshotted this. I've posted it in Facebook parties. I've posted it in my VIP group. I do it periodically so people don't forget. And I just screenshot it, like step 1, step 2. And they need to click this box, check out as a party order, and then all the open parties will be here. And that just ensures that you're getting the hostess rewards, that you're getting the perks, or more importantly, that a customer that is holding a party for you gets their credit. Because once the order is placed, it cannot be moved into a party. So it's very important to educate your customers how to check out properly so orders go into the correct parties. And that is it.